In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in Freshbooks. It's a simple process that keeps your business records up to date and ensures you're effectively managing your cash flow. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or working in accounts, knowing how to accurately mark invoices as paid is critical. So, let's dive into it and walk through these steps together. First, you want to start by navigating to the Invoices section of your Freshbooks account. This is where all your invoices are housed, pending or otherwise, and you'll be able to access any invoice you need to update. Once you're in the Invoices section, take a moment to locate the specific invoice you wish to mark as paid. This might involve scrolling through your list or using a search bar to find the right one. With Freshbooks, each invoice is clearly listed, making this search straightforward, especially if you have many transactions to sift through. After you've identified and clicked on the invoice in question, you'll be provided with several options. Now, look for the More Actions menu. This is usually quite visible and should be near the top of the page, offering additional functionalities for managing your invoice. When you click on this menu, a drop-down list will appear. From this list, you'll select the Add a Payment option. At this point, you'll be ready to enter payment details. Freshbooks will prompt you to input relevant information like the date of payment, the amount received, and any other pertinent details. Be careful and precise with this information because it ensures that your records accurately reflect the financial transactions that have been completed. Make sure to double-check these details before moving forward. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the next step is to finalize it by clicking on the Add Payment button. This is typically found at the bottom of the form you've just filled out. By clicking this, you save the payment details and officially mark the invoice as paid. It's important to remember to complete this step because it updates your records and gives you an accurate picture of your financial health. And there you have it. That's how you mark an invoice as paid in Freshbooks. Keeping track of your payments and invoices is essential for business efficiency and financial clarity. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and easy to follow. If you have more invoices to update, simply repeat this process for each one. With practice, managing your invoices in Freshbooks will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.